and welcome. My name is Luke, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to update and edit your profile on the Buy Local Sunshine Coast website. So the first thing you need to do is just come to the Buy Local Sunshine Coast website and log in. I've got a separate video if you're unsure about how to log in, but you'll have the option at the top menu which has the words member login, or you can click on the menu here, why join, and manage listing. Log in and it'll come to the dashboard, which you can see here. For profiles that are incomplete, you'll see the notification here in this top section. If your profile is complete, this section won't be there, but you can manage your listing through this section here, right? So these are the two areas you can go to jump in and update your profile. But if you've just joined Buy Local Sunshine Coast, all these sections here will be yellow, indicating it's time to update. So let's jump in and check it out. So I'm going to start with manage listings and basic information. Now, a lot of this information you would have shared as part of the sign up process, but not all the details will be here. So it's worth checking out. So type of listing, the default is always company and organization, but if you do operate as an individual, you're welcome to choose personal individual, but we do recommend just company and organization. Then choose your service, your main category. If you find that none of these suits you, then just send us an email. We can add categories and sort of evolve this as we need to. So just let us know. Then put in your name, email, phone number, company name, your role, and a short description. Now this short description is what will come up in the search results as a lead into your full profile page. So do make sure it's short, succinct, and describes what it is that you actually do to help kind of drive people to click through. Then where you're located, so just drop in a location. If you prefer, if you don't have a place of operation, so you just work from home, you're welcome just to put in your city. That's the only thing that's actually required, in addition to state, country, and postcode. So you can leave out the address line if you prefer. Then you drop in your website links. If you don't have any, then you can leave this entire section blank. But if you do have these details, website, calendar, an RSS feed, for your blog, Facebook, all that sort of stuff, you can drop into here. Once you've completed that, you click save and continue. As this loads, the next section is then images. This image is the one that will show on your listing. So when people are searching, it's the profile logo that will come up. Now you'll notice what we've done on this website is we've actually, instead of using the logo as what's featured, we wanted to have an image that was enticing and interesting and related to your business. So for this, I've just included a photo of myself, but you'll see throughout the website that we've got photos of people's, of products, of the team, just a variety of photos. It's just more interesting than just the logo. So you can update profile photo to just be a logo like I've done here. And this is just the image that you want to share throughout search, right? So as people are kind of exploring the website, exploring different service providers, that's the image that will be shown, is this one here. And that's if in the basic information you've chosen company and organization, it defaults to this one. Alrighty, then you can update your profile cover photo, and the recommended pixel sizes are provided here as well to make sure you get the sizing right. It will auto adjust if you're not quite right, but obviously we want to make sure that you're getting the best quality that you can, so those guidelines are provided as well. Then you need to continue to the next section. Now you can upload a CV or brochure to go with your profile. So if you have a catalog that covers your products, just additional information, maybe a PDF, maybe even an ebook, you're welcome just to upload that, and that will sit under your profile as well. So it's a really good way of just adding additional content. Your personal motto. So this is the almost like the headline for your profile. So have something that kind of relates to the service that you're offering as a Kickstarter. You're established, ABN. So I just wanted to kind of show you, I guess just adding new content. So you can add your ABN in here as well. Hours of operation, payment details. So obviously invoice, direct debit, but if you accept cryptocurrencies, you're welcome to mention those in the accepted forms of payment as well. Your credentials, so your different qualifications, any honors and awards, Sunshine Coast Business Awards, for an example, you're welcome to include those details here as well. Then we move to about you and your company. And actually get a lot of options when it comes to editing your profile page. So you can see here in terms of we've got copy, I've got images in a table, judging a bit more of our story, a larger image, a video. I've installed Google Reviews, and that's one of our add-ons, so we can include that on your profile page as well. So there's a lot of options that you have, right? So if I just jump up to the top here, right, you just use the navigation tools here. So I can put in, I can adjust my font size. If it's just normal, if I'm going to put in a heading, I can adjust my color if I want. I can just remove the formatting if I'm not happy with it, start again. Alignment, so I might want to go back to center here. I can drop in images, drop in videos, and this is YouTube and Vimeo. Hyperlinks, so if you want to direct people to a landing page on your website or a free download or where to connect. Actually, a hot tip, if you are putting a book now, so if I did something here, right, if I say, book a free consultation, right, so if I create the link, right, so it's just the contact, I'm going to just grab that link, open new tab, right, insert, and then what you can do here is, see this where it's got style, you can then turn it into a button, right, so it just pops a little bit more. So there's a bunch of really cool features you can do. Obviously you can see here tables is a nice way to present your content. So a lot of ways that you can kind of really refine and kind of get it looking to the way that you want to. You can add as many sections as you want, so there's no limit. I don't think we have a limit on characters on this, so you can really provide a wealth of content that's related to your profile. I mean, I want to get too carried away. I would want to make sure that it's related to what it is that you're doing. And then once you're happy with that, you just click save and continue, and then it'll take you back to your dashboard. And then if you just want to check your listing to see how it looks, so we'll do that now. Right, so we can see the cover image is there, those initial details, right? If you're verified, you'll have the logo here that you're a verified member, invites to write a review. The reason why it's a button to core is so we can track that, and there's a separate video on the data that's captured, but we use these buttons to get an idea of what people are doing on the website. See here, contact details, and then the about info, video, and then publish content. Cool, and that's it. That's all that's required to create your profile page. But if you don't have time, if you need a little bit of help, we do have the add-ons. So let me just quickly share that with you here. This one here, we create your profile. So if you don't have time, you just go, Luke, you guys know what you're doing. Go build us a really nice profile. Then you can purchase it here. It's also in your dashboard as well. So if you scroll down, you'll see upgrade your profile, and the option is here where you can go purchase now. It'll take you to the same page I was at before. We create your profile, a bit more details here, and you just purchase now. And if you already have added your credit card details, it'll just ask for the confirmation to charge your card. But if you haven't provided your credit card details, then it'll request it here before taking payment. And that's it. So if you need help, reach out to us anytime, info@buylocalsc.com.au. And that is how you create a profile on Buy Local Sunshine Coast. Thanks.